Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we'll do rolling in and out on your small barrel, the last part of our leg series.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I left this as its own exercise, as its own piece in this leg series when I created the flashcards for OPC, because you can end the leg series whenever you're ready. Okay, so you may be new to being on your small barrel, so you might do frogs and big circles and little circles and then rolling it out. You might do frogs and little circles and then rolling it out. Or you might sort of build up the whole series and then do rolling. So it's important to know that this is not just the end of an advanced exercise, but it's the end of the series. So you would probably not just do rolling it out as its own exercise. So how I'm going to get into it is not how you'd be getting into it. You'd already be on your barrel ready to go for it, but you could put this exercise at the end of any leg series that you have decided to do for yourself. So the leg series does have an order, but just because there's an order doesn't mean you don't omit things. So just always keep that in mind. You're omitting what is not right for your practice today. So whether you're coming from your bicycle or your scissors or hip twist or helicopter, doesn't matter. You're here in your frogs. You bring your legs together, and then you start to draw a circle around with those knees. And you can start small and get bigger and see how big you can go. And then you can reverse and start to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Or you can draw 3 circles in each direction, or you can go right to left and then left to right. It's up to you. Either way, it's just a really nice massage of that lower back. And then what I like to do is lift my own hips, push the barrel out, and then let your legs drape over. And it's kind of fun. However far away you can push the barrel out, somehow your knees always end up on top. And you can just let this blood flow come back in towards your toes and let your back settle out. It feels so good. I highly recommend not just getting up right away. All right. It's really just nice to go, oh, I did a good job in just that moment with my own leg series. So if you already got the decks, great. Thank you so much. If you haven't, check them out at onlinepilatesclasses.com. And if you have questions about how to incorporate the leg series into your practice, feel free to ask those into the comments below. If you're an OPC member, you can ask us in our members only community, where we give you feedback on your form and hold you accountable and, do life better. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube if you'd like to get feedback on your form, get some accountability and some workouts in your life from us. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.